And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. And now let's see same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and we dance preparation. Then we move into natural spin turn with pivot ending. Notice ladies brush here. We continue with natural telemark with side cross ending. Also notice ladies heel turn, then hesitation and side cross. Then we move into bounce fallaway and quick side cross, which we follow with open telemark. Notice ladies heel turn, we finish in promenade position and move with running feather from promenade position. Very good. And now let's see once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, man is facing diagonally to wall, and we dance first bar of natural spin turn, moving diagonally to wall. Then we continue moving down line of dance. In same direction, we start natural telemark, which we end in corner. And now we change direction to move diagonally to center in new line of dance. Bounce fallaway moves diagonally to center. And in same direction, quick side cross. Now we dance open telemark down line of dance and we finish in promenade position, ready to move diagonally to wall with a running feather from promenade position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.